Okay, I'm gonna ring the doorbell and you're gonna hear a billion barks. What up, my peoples? Alright, Sam, called me at 9 in the morning. I'll come over, I wanna go to McDonald's. I come over, it's 11 o'clock now. 11 o'clock. And he still hasn't left for McDonald's. So, do you know what else is annoying? How McDonald's switches over at 10 in the morning to eat. Here at McDonald's with Sam. I hate this kid so much. I guess. Seriously, we didn't make it in time to get breakfast, and now I'm forced to eat oatmeal again. It's seriously every day I'm having oatmeal.
Man, great boy.
What? I hate you. Like they have nice Christmas decorations and a guy golfing. See, does your McDonald's have a picture of the guy golfing? No, I don't think it does.
What is up with the obsession with golfing anyway? I don't understand that.
I don't know. Alright, so I'm riding down a creepy road right now. You can see. Riding on a bike. This is what I have to do every single time I'm on my way back from the gym. You saw on the vlog how it was nice and bright out. Now I'm gonna get killed by a murderer. He's a murderer. Oh my god. Look, every single bush. I think there's definitely a murderer in there. There's a murderer in there. Oh, there's definitely a murderer in there. Alright, I just watched that clip over, and you have to admit, that was pretty sweet. Here's this 3 more times. Alright, you see this fan? Thanks for watching, and that was a slice of my life.